Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. This is a part 3 of Python tutorial course using Jupyter Notebook. In this tutorial, we'll explain about the Python strings, method. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before proceeding this part 3 video tutorial, I sincerely recommend please watch my previous videos. You will get those links at the end of this video tutorial. Now let's continue this tutorial. Now in this tutorial, as I told, I will explain about the strings, string properties, methods. In my part 2 video tutorial, I have explained how to declare the data types. For example, x is equals to my name is Charan. In Python, we don't need to declare the data type. In traditional programming language, usually we declare string x is equals to my name is Charan. But in Python, we don't need to declare any data type. So x is equals to my name is Charan. So x will become the string data type. So if you want to check type x, when I run this code, see it's a string type. Now when we want to concatenate adding two strings, x is equals to a and y is equals to b. So to concatenate two strings, we use plus symbol, x plus y. It's plus y. Just run this code, see AB. So, but when you're trying to concatenate with other data type, for example, x is equals to 12 and y is equals to hello, when I try to concatenate print x plus y, see the output what I'll get. Here I got an error, the type error, unsupported operand types, int and strings. So make sure when you want to concatenate different types, you have to typecast before get the output. So when you want to concatenate the integer and strings, you need to typecast first the integer value. X is equals to, I want to concatenate string 12. If you notice, I have declared the variable x is equals to str is a string data type. Inside that I have declared the integer value, but now the x value is a string type. Then y is equals to hello. Now when I try to print x plus y, run, and here we got an output xy 12 hello. If you want to count the number of characters in a string, we use a length method. So x is equals to hello, my name is Charan, print x dot, now length is a predefined Python method. Inside this method I am adding x. So let's check the output, run. So here we got the output. The number of characters in this string is 23. Now if you want to reverse the string, for example x is equals to ABCD, want to get the output of the x value is a reverse. So print x, I'm declaring a square brackets. Inside the square brackets I'm adding double colon. In my previous video I have already explained about these columns. So once again I'm telling, the column represents the strings are the index based. So the first column is a starting index value of the string, which is the a, and the second column is the last index value, which is a d. So after two columns I'm adding -1. When you declare -1, it prints the reverse order. So let's check the output run. So here we got DCBA. Now the next tutorial, suppose if you want to display the n times of a string, multiple times of a particular string, here is an example. S is equals to Charan. I want to print this Charan multiple times, or 10 times, for example. Print S into 10. So I want to print this Charan value 10 times. Let's check the output. So here we got the Charan value. Let's give the display a new line, backward slash n, which gives a new line. So here we got new output. It displays 10 times. Now we'll discuss about the predefined string methods. So predefined string methods are S is equals to my name is Charan. So S dot, when I click tab, so notice here we got a small pop-up window open which contains all the properties and methods here. If you want to display the string value my name is Charan in uppercase, just use upper. Let's check the output. Run. See here we got a new output. My name is Charan. Now let's check the sum of few string methods. Suppose here the S value is Charan. Print S. The output is simple lowercase. Now I want to display the first letter is a capital letter. For that I am using S is equals to Charan, print capitalize S dot tab. I'm using the capitalize method. Let's check the output. Run. So now we got the output. Notice the C is in capital letter. Now if you want to split the string, S is equals to my name is Charan, print S dot tab. I'm adding the split method. Run. And notice the output, the string has been split into 4 words. It's separated by comma. Now the next method I will show you, the title method, to display capital letters of every single word. The first letter is a capital letter. Suppose in my M I want capital letter M, and N is a capital letter, and I is a capital letter, and C is a capital letter. So for that I am using dot tab title. So title is a method. Let's check the output. Run. See the output in a string, the starting letter of every word in this string is capital letter. Now the next string method is a swap case method. The swap case method, when we want to convert the string values, the string characters, the lowercase into uppercase and the uppercase into lowercase. For that time we have to use a swap case method. Here is an example. X is equals to my name is Charan. If you notice the X value, the my is in uppercase and N is the uppercase. After that NA, ME is a lowercase. Now I want to get the output, whatever the lowercase in this string will be the output as in uppercase, and the uppercase values will be in the lowercase. So let's check the output. Print X dot swap case method. Let's check the output. Run. See here the output my is in lowercase, but the original string value my is a uppercase. So whatever the uppercase will become the lowercase, and the lowercase will become the uppercase. Now the next string method is a find method. If you want to find a particular word in a string, we use a find method. Here is an example. X is equals to, so instead of writing here, I'm adding here only. In swap case, instead of swap case, I'm adding find method. The find method returns the integer value, index of the string. I'm finding is. So I want to find the is in this string, which returns the integer value, which is the index of this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's run this example. So here we got the output 8. Suppose the whatever the string I'm finding is not present in this x value, it returns the -1. For example, 7, 8. Is 7, 8 is not in this string. So when I try to get the output, run. So here we got the output -1. -1 returns if you are not finding any word in this string. Now the next string method is a format method. The format method is used when we want to insert a particular values, then we use a format method with a placeholder. For example, here x is equals to, my name is, here I'm adding the placeholder dot format method. In this format method I'm adding Charan. So when I execute this x, print x, let's check the output. So here we got the output, my name is Charan. And this format method supports multiple parameters. For example, I'm adding some more values. Is blue and 28. My name is, my car color is, my age is. Now let's check the output. Print x. See here, my name is Charan, my car color is blue, and my age is 28. And also we can add the index of this format values. Here the Charan, the index value is 0. Here I'm adding my car is, I'm adding the index value of the format 0 is Charan here, and my name is 2, and here I'm adding 1. So now let's check the output. Run. See here the my name is 28, my car color is Charan, my age is blue. So we can add the index values wherever we want. And there is another way we can add the key values. For example, a is equals to, name is equals to Charan, declare some keys, and car is equals to blue, and age is equals to 28. Now here my name is, I'm adding the format keys, which is a name, car, the value, the key value is car, and age. Now let's check the output. Run. See here, my name is Charan, my car color is blue, and my age is 28.